You were like that.
Yeah. Why are they honking at you? Hi guys, welcome back to Los Vargas. So we're here in Anthony, New Mexico. Cesar is in the shower. I'm gonna pull a prank on him. I'm gonna do the have people honk and let's see how he reacts to it. See you guys in a little bit. Guys, so this is what I have right there. Hopefully we can get some people honking at us and let's see how it works. We'll see you guys when I have Cesar in the truck. Hi guys, welcome back to Los Vargas. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so every time we upload a video you can see it. Today we're gonna go have lunch with one of my friends, and right now we're on our way to go pick up the kids because we just got back from Denver yesterday.
Yeah.
So we gotta go get the children of the corn. Huh.
Yeah. So we've been making attempts
to upload videos. Yeah.
Man, the internet sucks everywhere.
Yeah. We do want to apologize for not finishing our Vlogmas, but
we only missed 3 days.
Yeah. So let's see how today goes. We also want to take the kids shopping because they got $100 for Christmas.
Got a new haircut.
So did I. And we're gonna go take them shopping. Go eat, go take them shopping. And then, what do we do today?
Sleep.
Sleep,
That's
I guess.
mostly what people do at night.
Oh, I didn't know
Unless
that.
they work.
I didn't know that.
My mouth tastes like toothpaste because I don't like to rinse my mouth there.
Why?
Because water's gross.
Oh, why don't you get water from the water?
Because I was already in there.
Oh.
So we're still missing a lot of things over here to do. But like seriously, oh man, I've been bored out of my mind. I'm totally bored.
There's not a lot to do over here. Huh. Whoa, shit. So you guys check out this scenery where my parents live. I love it. Puros files. The pecan orchards. A little truck in front of us. Where are we gonna go eat again? What is it called?
Great American Steakhouse.
Yeah, Great American Steakhouse. We were supposed to go eat with some other friends also, but apparently they got a little too tipsy last night, so they're hungover this morning.
They can't wake up or what?
I don't know.
Wouldn't it be better if you wake up and like sleep?
Yeah. Está canijo. Ay, güey. I'm like sore from right here.
So, since we've been making attempts to upload videos and they've been getting old, we've been saying some stuff on there. So I'm gonna repeat it again so we can just leave this video and then start from here on, okay? We're gonna be making a live video.
Yeah.
On Wednesday on our Facebook page. We're gonna do a giveaway. So if you don't have us on your Facebook, go ahead and add us. It's down below
In the description.
and stay tuned into it. I believe it's gonna be in the afternoon on Wednesday.
Yeah.
We're gonna be giving a giveaway And then we'll probably do another giveaway next Wednesday. So we're gonna call it Giveaway Wednesdays.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be giving away every Wednesday, all right? I believe you want to say how much or what it is, or for this Wednesday or not?
Yeah.
Okay. So this Wednesday, from there on, we're gonna be giving out $100. We're gonna pick winners. Obviously, you're gonna have to stay tuned. We're gonna give the instructions there. Obviously, you have to be subscribed to this channel. Obviously, you have to be following us. Obviously, you have to you have to be added onto Facebook. Pretty much being also on all our social media, and then share Wednesday's video. So we're gonna upload the video on Wednesday. You're gonna have to share that video, but we're gonna be live on Facebook, right? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
What are you gonna do here?
I don't know what this is. I never read it.
Oh.
So that's gonna be Wednesdays. On Fridays or Saturdays, depending on when we upload. I believe we're gonna upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So depending on when we upload, if it's gonna be Fridays or Saturdays, I'm trying to plan a little something like, sorry, it's because I'm parking. I'm trying to plan something that pranks, like phone pranks. So stay tuned for that one. Obviously, we need a little bit more followers on YouTube. We need a little bit more followers on Instagram, so you guys can directly message us instead of just typing on the video or just typing on our page. So you can directly message us, so I could do the pranks over the phone to whoever's you guys pick. I'll be right back. I need to go buy some juice.
Okay.
You want something?
Water, please. Okay, guys, so now we're on our way. We're leaving the beautiful town of Anthony. It's beautiful, isn't it?
No.
Yes, it is. Just kidding, it's ugly. Cesar looks so serious.
Because I'm sleepy.
What time did you go to sleep?
Huh?
What time did you go to sleep?
I mistakenly drank a Red Bull.
He did not mistakenly drink a Red Bull.
I drank a Red Bull like at 12, so I went like at 2:30. I was just like turning and tossing and turning. Oh, look, presents on this. Oh, it's a present.
Is it? Go back, let's get it. Go.
What color? Purple.
I don't like it.
This one, yeah.
Is it?
Just turned green. It's not you. It's raining tacos.
From out of the sky.
I don't know what else goes next.
Me neither. You have to ask this guy first. Oh, my neck hurts. I think I stopped drumming or something.
Not a lot of people.
Huh? What? You hungry, are you?
Yeah. I don't know people with that type of vehicles. Super expensive vehicles.
Super expensive vehicles.
Super speeding, maybe that's right.
Maybe. Where are they honking at you?
You were like that.
Yeah. Why are they honking at you?
Don't know anybody from Missouri. Hey, mi la tuya también.
¿También te pitó? What the hell?
It's raining tacos. So, it's gonna be easy to edit all the silence.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, we're gonna be doing an intro, a new intro, and we're probably gonna start it on the 1st.
Yeah.
The 1st is a Wednesday, isn't it?
I think so.
So on Wednesday we will have a new intro, maybe.
Yeah. Why are you going so slow?
I'm scared.
Of what? Oh, shut the fuck up. The sucky thing about like the Las Cruces, El Paso area is when it gets windy, it gets like a dust storm. So I hate it. I really don't miss that at all. That guy was weird, huh? The one that hung at you. He went like that. I wonder why. There's a lot of dairies, guys. I don't know if you can see.
A lot of shit stompers over here yonder.
Oh my god.
Sometimes gotta milk the cow, sometimes gotta need to milk you yonder over there.
I'm starving, so gotta hurry up.
It's ready tacos.
The song you have in your head.
You better watch out.
Our phone, our
Better
camera
not
died,
drive.
so we're stuck using our phones, and we don't have phone cases on them right now because we just got new phones or a pop socket. So we're using. It's very difficult. But this quality on the camera looks better than the one on the camera.
Yeah.
I think I want to go get my eyebrows waxed today, maybe. Cesar's face. It's so funny.
Yeah.
It's cold. It's 46 degrees, but it feels like...
Like 46 degrees.
No, it does not. It's colder than that.
It's raining taquitos from Matters.
¿Te pitó o qué? Why are you so mad? Why are people honking at you? Maybe you have like a flat tire or something.
Maybe I have something in the back of the fucking truck, huh?
Why would you have something in the back of the truck? Like if I would have time to do that.
You do have time to do that.
When? I got up, I got ready. When would I have time?
Something.
I don't have time.
So whenever they honk at me, I'm back. I'm like, what the fuck are you honking at me for, motherfucker? What's up? You're looking at me. You have something in the back of the truck, huh?
Oh, I don't. Why? No. Se te quedaron viendo o qué?
Yeah, they honked and then just looked at me all fucking weird.
That's funny. I don't like
You did
you.
put something back there, huh?
No, I didn't.
You already gave yourself up.
I didn't. Okay, guys, we're gonna be closing out the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I got them pretty good.
Yeah.
It was okay. So don't forget to
Subscribe.
and turn on your post notifications so you guys won't miss one of our videos. And we'll see you guys later.
Bye.